So the beetle's completely painted. Just got to finish doing that one wing. Side steps on, door handles, mirrors, indicators, lights, bumper, number plate, handles. This side's pretty much done the same. Just got to put the side step on, otherwise that little plate under there. Put the back bumper on, back lights. Right, so I sprayed the wing. Pretty much that is everything now ready for, well, that's all the bodywork pretty much done. I've still got to do the plate under there. It's only a small little plate, just got to go under there. Open this door so you can see. But basically it's supposed to be like that, but it's been cut out ready for a new one, so I'm gonna get that done. But that's the last thing to do, because what my next plan is, basically, now the bodywork's all done, is to get it running. It spins over lovely. I've just got to basically get a new distributor coil, because I'm not getting no spark, but I've ordered them all. They're all on the way. I've also ordered the chrome engine dress-up kit. Loads and loads and loads of parts I've ordered. Those are chrome parts, and so the next video is going to be pretty good. You'll see it. Hopefully we'll have it running in the next video, and then we'll do a video about getting it running and chroming everything up. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and